I have to make a new intro for this wig, don't I? Probably. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Accidental Beauty. If you're new, welcome. My name's Laura. I post videos once a week, mainly about makeup and sometimes about hair, fashion, lifestyle, beauty, wigs, all that good stuff. This month, however, I am changing my upload schedule just a little bit. I'll be uploading 2 videos instead of 1. I'm running a special series on my channel in honor of Pride Month, where in each video I do a different monochromatic look, so by the end I will have a whole rainbow of looks. If you haven't seen my other videos in this series, I highly encourage you to go back and watch those after you're done this one. There should be a playlist either on the side of your screen or below. Otherwise, you can just go to my channel, link below, and under playlists, you should be able to find the Pride 2020 playlist. So as you can see, this video is a blue monochromatic look. So if you guys want to see how I did this, then please keep on watching.
'cause I can't see you anywhere. 'Cause I don't wanna know, I swear I should go, no, I don't wanna let you down. You just wanna know how far I will go, 'cause you know I will stay around. So let me know where to go. So let me know where to go. I wanna find you.
Okay, so this is the final look. I am so happy with the way that this look turned out. The only thing that I was kind of not loving, and you can probably see from the number of times that I tried to fix it throughout this video, is the blue blush. It's just really not doing it for me. It looks really ashy. It's not the worst on camera, but in person it is pretty gray looking, especially where it meets with the contour. I tried to bronze my face a little bit with the warmer toned shade in my contour palette, and I feel like it made it just more gray. I tried to go over the area with my foundation brush, which had a little bit of foundation on it, and it basically ended up taking off my foundation in those areas because there was a lot of slip in my foundation, and it's just a mess. So it didn't turn out too bad, and with the blue wig it really does bring out the blue tones, and it just makes the whole look more cohesive. It's not too bad with the wig on, but with the wig off it was looking really ashy. Everything else I absolutely love. The lips work perfectly with the eyes. I tried to keep the eyes a bit lighter because I have been doing a couple like dark smoky looks. I also have another blue monochrome look on my channel. You can watch that video here if you want. And that one was it was sort of a darker, grungier, maybe not so grungy, but like it was definitely a lot darker as far as the tones and shades that I was using. So I wanted to do something a bit lighter. I'm so happy with this. Like I would actually wear this look. Okay, maybe not with the blush, but I would actually wear this look out. I feel like if you paired it with like a nice coral blush or something, it would just work really nicely. It's a little unfortunate that I couldn't do that. But you know what? The more that I'm looking at it in the monitor, the blush is starting to look more mermaidy and kind of like otherworldly, alien, like a mythological creature. So I don't hate it. Like I really do love fantasy, so I feel like this kind of works. It might work for, I don't know, maybe a cosplay or some... Is there something in my eye? There totally is. I feel like this blush idea, color placement might work for a cosplay or some sort of other fantasy creature. And you can totally see my wig cap underneath. Lovely. And I feel like the lashes also really work nicely for this look. I think this is probably my first or second pair of false lashes ever, and I still have them. Like this is the same, I'm pretty sure this is the same pair that I've had for like, I don't know, 5 years or something. I really love these. These are the Ardell 251s, and I can't stress enough how awesome these lashes are. Like they will last forever, and the band is like, it's thick enough that it's really easy to get in the right spot, but it's thin enough that it's not, like it'll still bend. Oh, these are just amazing lashes. Okay, so back to the look. Highlights. I mean, I feel like I have a lot of, well, okay, I have the Blue Blood palette, which is all blue tone, so I really didn't struggle that much as far as finding the right colors and tones for this look. Contour is the same. I used a bunch of blue highlight shades. They look absolutely gorgeous. Like, look at that cheek highlight, just stunning. Brow bone highlight is amazing. And yeah, overall, this is a little bit of a different look for me. I'm like slowly making my way into the editorial realm of makeup. I'm just having fun and experimenting. I love playing with color, as I've mentioned in probably all of my other videos. Yeah, I really enjoyed doing this look. So if you enjoyed this video as much as I did, please give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comment section below what you think of this look. If you have any suggestions or constructive criticism for what products I could have used for the blush instead of what I did, feel free to comment them below. Don't forget to follow me on my socials. I'm going to be posting photos of all the looks that I do for this series, as well as many of the other videos that I have on my channel. So if you enjoy the content here, I'm sure you'll enjoy the content that I post there, so please follow me. If this is the first video in my Pride series that you're watching, I highly encourage you to go back and watch the other ones. They'll either show up in a playlist, it should be on the side of your screen or below, depending on the size of your device that you're watching this on. Otherwise, you can go to my channel and you can just find the videos there or go under playlists. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and turn on notifications so you get updated every time I upload a new video. And I'll see you guys next time.